fight school? What's going on? Let's do it. Let's work more advanced mitt combos. Okay, that's 3, 4 punch, maybe even 5 punch. Let's stick with 3 to 4 today. The last shot on my combo is gonna be the hardest, whatever the combo is. Let's do it. We're gonna do some 4 punch combos, longer combos. This is my favorite that I usually start people out with, the 1, 2, 3, 2. Good. 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 I like to get the last punch the heaviest. It's the cross. You want that to be the chin check, the 1-hitter quitter, the 4-hitter quitter. Heavy, yes. Heavy, yes. Good. The first 2 or 3 shots are gonna blind me. I might slip them, but that last one's gonna be a change of tempo. That's gonna hurt. Yes. Good. If I go 2, 3, 2, might be light, heavy, heavy. Good. Yes. Good. 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 And those are nice straight crosses. You can't block them too long. 2, 3, 2. I could slip. That one's getting through. I have to block those 2. I'm not going to see the harder change of tempo right through the guard. I'm glad I'm wearing my hat. So like we talked about before, the final punch of the combo is going to be the hardest. If it's 2, 3, 2, that last punch is going to be harder than the first 3. The reason is, if I'm setting you up with a couple of jabs, those 2 might be the same tempo. The last one's going to be slower. It's going to be slower because you're loading up. You're loading up all your power. It's a full power stroke. You need the preload, you need the kind of the amortization, the contraction, and the pullback, a power stroke. So it might be quick, quick, slow, right? Or it could be light, light, heavy. By changing the tempo, if I'm blocking that, I don't know that that's coming at a different tempo. I might react a little bit sooner than I need to. So we practice this on the mitts. Be an expert on the pads. Class is dismissed.